Hi, beautiful family. How are you all doing? So, guys, I want to show you how I make this delicious fish pie roll. If you are interested, sit down and watch this video from the beginning to the end. It's a short video. So, this is the dough I've already prepared. At this time, I'm going to make it flat. So if this is your first time you are watching my video, please and please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. If you are watching on Facebook, please follow my page, guys, and make sure you share the video, like the video. Thank you so much and God bless you all. So let me cut off the edges. So at this time, I'm going to add the fish that I've already prepared. I prepared this fish with some carrots, potato, and the Titus fish and the tuna. So I will add it on the dough just gently, gently, as you can see, step by step. Okay. So after that, I will start rolling it. First of all, it's like I'll wrap it like this, wrap it like this, just step by step, wrap it gently, gently. So you start rolling it gently, gently, gently. It's very, very easy. Look at it. So that edge, I will use my hand to press it down so that it will not open. So that is how I press it down. It's very, very easy. So at this time, I'll start cutting it with a knife. Just cut it. It depends on the size you want. Just cut it. You see that it's very neat. This is the size I want. You see the size. So that is the exactly size I want it. So guys, I'm not going to use oven. I'm going to use my air fryer. So I arrange it one by one. This air fryer contained 8 pieces. 8 pieces. So it tried. After the first process, I will still repeat another process again. So at this time, I use an egg, the white one without the yolk. So I break it on the small plate and I mix it. So I use it to rub it. At this time, it's going there. It's ready. You see the color, the coming out is so beautiful. You see it. You see the coming out. Wow. I use this air fryer to make more fish pie roll, and is very fast. I can say this air fryer is faster than oven. So I'm going to repeat another process exactly the way I did the first one. It's like this one is the last one that I'm going to do. Is ready. Can you see that? Oh my god, this um mm, fish pie roll, it was so delicious, very, very delicious. So look at it, and it was so beautiful with a good, beautiful color. Look at it. Did you see that? Did you see that? Guys, please like this video, follow my page, and subscribe to my channel if you are watching from YouTube. Thank you so much. Bye bye.